लॉस्ट हियर इज एन पार्टिसिपल के रूप में इसे इस्तेमाल किया गया है थर्ड फॉर्म के रूप में। पार्टिसिपल चाइल्ड नाउन, ठीक है। सो एट द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर आई वुड लाइक टू give a brief introduction of the given chapter, the lost child. And this child, there is a child who goes to the fair with his parents, and in the way the child was lagged behind by the fascinating of the toys and trees on the way. He was also fascinated by the flowers in the grove. He was also fascinated by the gaudy or the pleasant butterflies flying in the fields. In this way, the child was lagged behind on the fair. His parents always forbade him, come child, on the path, but the child was lagged behind in this way. The child has an emotion, the child has a feeling of the libertiness. No one can forbid me to think over this matter, to watch over this thing. But here, the parents told the restrictions over the child. You should do only for that. You should act like my order, like my suggestion. And this way, the child was very frustrated. The child knows that if I desire, my parents will not accept it, not fulfill my wish or desire. So, child's wish or desire is very useless in the context of child's heart. He thinks that my parent is very like an oppressor. He also thinks that my wish or desire will not be fulfilled by my parents. But this shows that, and child's mother has a soft corner towards the child. When the child requests for a toy to his father forbids the boy, you are not able to play with the toy because now you have become a young person. The answer was by the father. Suppose that if a child desires for a toy on the way to see the toy and he demands for a toy, the answer of the father, you have become a grown person, so you should not play with a toy. So this answer was not satisfied by his parents. Another request, whenever the desires are not fulfilled by the parents, at the moment when they reached in the swing of the fair, a place or where all persons were crowded, all motions were crowded, and the situation was that the boy was left behind and he was separated from his parents. In the middle of the fair, the boy was lost and he was weeping bitterly. Where is my father? Where is my mother? He was weeping bitterly. He was crying. He wanted to search his parents. He wanted to search his mother and father. But there was no any kind of hope, but there was no any kind of satisfaction in searching of his parents. In the fair, that a person who came out and he wanted to help the boy, and he told to the boy that he would help him to meet the parents, But firstly, now I would like to buy for you the toy, for you the sweet, for you the things that you desired. But the child denied. The child did not accept. But the child did not have the passion. But the child did not the desire. At first he had wanted before with the parents. Now the time is that if a person wants to buy, he does not want to take the things. He does not want to take the things that he had wanted. He says that I only want my parents. His answer was one single, that I need my parents, I need my mother and father. But this shows that how much the child loves his parents. The child was very tired and his eyes were hopeless, and there is no any ray of hope of meeting of his parents. How can we imagine in these circumstances or in this situation the person who met in the huge crowds of where the child was lost and he wanted to search his parents? He wanted to find out the parents of the child in the middle of the fair. How tough or how difficult work it was when a child's parents were lost in the middle of the fair and it was unable to find out where the child's parents. So the person wanted to divert the attention of the child from his crying out, his hopeless eyes. He wanted to give his relaxed comfort. At the last the situation is very undoubtful or dilemma whether the child gets his parents or not, whether the man became successful in searching his parents or not, there are so many questions in our mind. So dear students, this is a riddle. This is a uncertain things about the happenings in the future. What would have happened in future time? Whether the man may have succeeded in searching the boy's parents in the fair, or where was the boy taken by that person, whether he handed over the police to look after the child like an orphan, or where the orphans were closed, where the orphan child were brimmed, where the I can say that, and this that very minutely, very the writer has given us a doubtful situation. Whether the boy is successful in finding out his parents or not. Its answer, this is the thinking mood of the writer as well as the students, as the teacher. What would have happened in the next moment? Happenings are uncertain, so we can conclude it by the summary that the person may have taken him the police and handed over the child and inquired, and after a short time his parents may have met him. Another doubt is that after some while his parents may have found the child in the fair with that person, and they would also have the thanks to the person to care for the child. So today in this class I would like to conclude this summary with the explanations of the word meaning. In next class I would give him a glimpse or carefully explanation to the lines. Okay, thank you. Thanks.